When it comes to the best business class hardware in China, China Eastern's A350 is definitely top of the list. It features fully flat 6 inch with sliding doors for a private suite experience. Hardware can even rival top international airlines. The Boeing 787 also uses the same business class seats. Today we're flying from Beijing Daxing to Kunming Changshui on China Eastern's Yunnan's Boeing 787 to enjoy this experience on a relatively long domestic route. Navigating Daxing Airport's security checkpoints can be tricky, especially the business class lanes. If you are not familiar with this airport, it might be worth asking a staff member for directions. Before boarding, we made a quick stop at China Eastern's Daxing V2 lounge. It wasn't too crowded at midday, and there were a lot of hot dishes, snacks, and fruit available. Of course, we had to try China Eastern's signature noodles. After filling up, it was time to board. There didn't seem to be any crew at gate welcoming passengers, but finding our own seats was easy enough. Once I settled in and stowed my bag, the flight attendant brought a hot towel and juice. This self-service style service was actually quite nice, minimal interaction, especially considering affordable business class fare was, costing just over 2,700 RMB one way, including tax. Since I'm here especially to experience the 787's hardware, let's take a closer look at the seat's configuration. The pale yellow seat was very minimalist and refined with a premium feel. The space is ample, has sliding doors, and reclines into fully flat bed. The left armrest side table offers plenty of room for personal items, with the TV remote and the seat controls conveniently integrated on it. There is a hidden mirror and a storage compartment for things like passports and documents. Toward the back, there was a reading light, headphone jack, and a power outlet, along with additional storage, great for long-haul travel. Slippers and life jackets are stowed below on the left. The legroom in front is generous. At 185 centimeters, I could stretch out completely with ease. The screen size is decent, with a clear display and smooth response. Our flight took off from Daxing Airport's runway 35 right, and after a brief northward climb over Daxing District, we turned left and flew over Baoding and Taiyuan. After turning southward over Yan'an, we passed through Xi'an and Dazhou, then flew southwest over Chongqing, Bijie, and Liupanshui, before finally landing in Kunming. The entire journey took 2 hours and 33 minutes, quite fast. By the time we took off, it was nearly 1 p.m., and the lunch was served shortly after reaching cruising altitude. It included chicken rice, whole grain bread, and since it was close to Mid-Autumn Festival, a mooncake, a carb-heavy meal, to say the least. It was a standard domestic business class meal, with nothing particularly special except for the mooncake. The biggest selling point of this cabin are privacy and comfort. When you slide the door shut, you have a completely private space, something that was previously exclusive to the first class. Now business class passengers can enjoy it too, which is a big improvement over reserved herringbone layout. With about an hour and a half left before landing, I reclined the seat to a fully flat position and took a quick nap. My legs still didn't reach the front, giving ample legroom. Whether lying flat or on my side, it was very comfortable. However, I did notice that people in the aisle could still see me. After about half an hour, I woke up to find the cabin lights completely dimmed. Almost all China Eastern's wide-body aircraft are equipped with Wi-Fi, and business class passengers get free access throughout the flight. It's decent for checking messages, through a bit too slow for video streaming. After this experience, I think China Eastern's Boeing 787 business class hardware is truly top-notch in China and can hold its own internationally as well. The downside is very standardized service and food offerings, which won't add much extra value to their business class product. In addition to the Boeing 787, China Eastern's A350 has the same seats and is well worth experiencing. If you are in one of China Eastern's main hubs, like Shanghai or Xi'an, you can redeem points for an upgrade. If you are in Beijing, though due to fierce competition with Air China and China Southern, there are often great deals available, making cash purchase more worthwhile. In our next video, we'll be flying on China Eastern's Yunnan's Boeing 737 business class, so don't forget to like, save, and subscribe. See you in the next video.